If I can get them to do that, my videos will start to get more views. My videos need to be compelling enough to make people be as social as possible on the media. Once I have this, right, I can then, here's where the business part comes in. Make sure you guys are taking notes. This is what because I'm about to erase this real quick. Once you understand this, all right, once you understand this part, this is where the money comes in. Once you've mastered social media, based on what we just talked about, now you can start to make content that speaks to my handwriting and my spelling is terrible. Let's call this target customer, right? Once you understand social media, once you understand how this shit works, you can start to make content that speaks to your target customer, right? There's something called top of funnel content. You got top of funnel. So this is top of funnel. And then you have bottom of funnel. So top of funnel content is content that reaches a great mass. So when you're making money on social media, or when you're trying to make money on social media, your end goal as a business owner is, how do I make content that speaks to my target customer? How do I make content that my specific type of avatar, somebody who wants to buy my products and service, they relate to this video? But how do I make content in such a way that it can relate to everybody, but it speaks to my target customer? And that's how you print money. You figure this shit out, you print money on. You're gonna print money on social media. You make top of funnel content that makes people be social on that media. You make them stop, you make them engage, right? You make them watch the video, you make them share, right? And you have the content have a top of funnel and then a bottom of funnel format. And it doesn't have to be a CTA. It doesn't have to be none of that shit. It doesn't have to be an ad. You just make content so good that everybody can relate to it, so it shows your videos to millions of people, but only your target customer can relate. I'm gonna give you a perfect example before I end the video on what this looks like, right? If you think about my videos, FitXFearless, the format that I used to go viral the most was the me on top of the screen, student at the bottom of the screen, where I was teaching people, giving them advice on their looks, body, whatever, right? Those got millions of views because millions of people can relate to wanting to get in better shape or struggling with a specific type of problem, right? And it was entertaining enough to get that many views, where people wanted to see what this advice was gonna be, what this transformation was gonna look like. But then, as I talked to the person more and more, and they were a business owner who was struggling to get in good shape, a business owner struggling to have a dating life, that related to my target customer. So yeah, everybody could have watched the video, millions and millions of views. It was entertaining enough to reach a lot of people, but my target customer found the most value from that video because they could relate to the person in the video who was struggling to get dates because they worked a lot, who was struggling to get dates because they had to run their own business. So they needed a way to they wanted to find a way to be able to have a dating life and also work hard, have a dating life and also be in good shape. That's top of funnel content, and that's bottom, that targets your customer. If you can learn how to create top of funnel content that then reaches your target customer and speaks and relates to them, you will print money. Because everything you do from then moving forward, right, it can be directly to those people. And then you can have CTAs and all that other stuff, right? But now you can reach millions of people for free, have them come on your page and have your products and services, right, either retarget